This video will review the basic startup of the AC3 Optimus IABP for fiber optic IAB insertion. To ready the pump, connect AC power and turn power on. The AC3 Optimus series system starts up in autopilot mode by default. When powering on the pump for the first time, the Getting Started checklist will display. A red X next to an item indicates that item is not ready and further action is needed. A green check indicates that an item is complete and no further action is needed. The checklist provides an additional set of steps to assist in connection and zeroing of the fiber optic sensor. The scrub technician will hand off the fiber optic connections. There are two connections that must be made prior to zeroing the fiber optic sensor: the black CAL key and the fiber optic sensor. Connect the CAL key first to the CAL key connection. Connect the fiber optic slider into the fiber optic connection. The slider will only fit one way and goes in with the arrow logo facing left. Push the blue slider gently into the opening until it clicks and you hear a 2-beep tone. Once these connections are made, the AC3 Optimus IABP will automatically zero the sensor if no arterial pressure is detected. This takes between 8 to 15 seconds to complete. When the zero is complete, a 4-beep tone will sound. The IAB can be inserted after the zero is complete. Establish direct ECG connection via chest electrodes. For consistent triggering, it is important to verify the ECG signal is adequate. White overlays on the ECG trace and a red heart symbol icon flashing with each heartbeat indicates the presence of a triggering signal. A standard pressurized arterial transducer setup will need to be prepared to connect to the central lumen of the balloon catheter and to the pump. Note, when using an Aero FiberOptix catheter, it is not necessary to zero the transducer setup prior to starting therapy. The AC3 Optimus IABP will automatically select and display the fiber optic arterial pressure waveform when initiating therapy. The final connection will be the IAB gas drive tubing. The scrub person will hand off the IAB gas drive tubing to the circulating person to connect to the pump once the IAB has been inserted into the patient and its position has been verified. Connect the balloon connector to the pump. Verify that the IAB volume matches the connector. Verify that there are all green checks on the checklist. The start pump on the checklist is now blue. Initiate pumping by pressing the Start Pump on the checklist. Observe the console pumping in a 1-to-1 assist.